Let us start investment. What is investment? Investment is a process of capital formation or a process of increase in the stock of capital. We know that capital is an important factor of productions. In previous class, we have already known there are 4 factors of production. One is labor, land, capital and organizations. And in the previous class, we have already known capital is a stock. So capital is a stock of the produced means of productions. It is a stock of those man-made goods which are used for further productions. Capital stock implies production capacity of the producers. Larger the capital stock with the producers, greater is their capacity to produce goods and services. Producers always try to increase their capital stock so that their capacity to produce increase over time. Increase in the stock of capital during the year is called investment during the year. Thus, here I equal to investment, K equal to capital and delta K is the change in capital. So change in the stock of capital is also called capital formations. So that the terms investment and capital formation can be interchangeable. Thus, investment may be defined as a process of capital formation or process that increase in the stock of capital. So we can say if capital stock increases, investment also increases. So always producer tries to increase their capital stock to increase their productions. That is why investment is a process of capital formation or a process of increase in the stock. This capital formation or investment is divided into 2 parts. One is fixed investment or it is called fixed capital formation. Another is that inventory